Hey there, everybody. Chris Heath of Limelight Realty South Shore. Today's open house is at 6611 Current Drive down here in Apollo Beach, and this neighborhood is Waterset. So I am in the office. So French doors, got some storage in here, beautiful wood floors. I love the wood floors throughout this house. So this office is right next to the front door and right next to the garage. So on this side, you have the dining room. So you have a formal dining room. And I think what's pretty cool about this house is right through here, you have your second bathroom, 2 bedrooms, and kind of a loft area for the kiddos. You got your laundry room. So right by the kiddos, bathroom, 2 bedrooms back that way. Very nice, state-of-the-art kitchen here. Really nice hood, cabinets, espresso, gas, really, really nice. Stainless steel. And you have eat-in kitchen. You can do other things there. And you have your family room. So if you want to play pickleball, you could. But I think, eat-in kitchen. I'm in the family room. These beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wood floors go throughout the house. And look at that kitchen. That kitchen is awesome. So if you are interested in checking out this open house today, I'll be here between 12 and 3. If you can't make it, I'd love to hear from you. My phone number is 813-394-2878. I'm Chris Heath, Limelight Realty, South Shore.